So when the news came in, you popped up from 38 to 47, and then it went up all the way up to 54 next day. So there's a lot of money actually flowing in, and now it's pulling back, but for a couple of days, at least the next day, there might be a lot of money flowing in there, and people don't look for a really nice entry usually, because they're just going in there for 5 minutes. All right, good morning, everybody. I'm back from Morocco, 7 days running in desert. I just got back actually last night late from London, so I haven't shaved and anything. I got to go and take care of my hair and everything, but it was quite an experience that I had. So sorry about the messy environment. I just went to bed really last night, but I had a really good day. HPQ, thanks to Brian. So HP is the company. It's a famous HP, computer printer company, and apparently there was a news that Warren Buffett had taken position on it, and it just popped up like 10-15% at the open really, really strong. I didn't catch it because I didn't come on time. I didn't catch this very nice opening range breakup. It was a beautiful opening range breakup, but I waited for some sort of a pullback at around 9:45, and I got the move from 42 all the way up to 41.20, 41.25. So that was a really, really nice move. And then I tried to catch a 920 trade on it. And 920 trade is a famous trade book of Brian has. It just came down into the 20 moving average on 2-minute chart, right around between 10 to 10:30, and it did pop up. I got a little bit of move on it, and I got out at the break even, but it's now actually doing this 920 trade. It might continue going up and up and up. So I had a pretty good, really good solid on day on that. NVIDIA, I had a little bit of a messy day on it, and I had some losses on NVIDIA, unfortunately, but overall I had a very, very solid day on HPQ, and I think that's it. That makes my day. So I'm gonna sign off. I'm not gonna be traveling for a while, so staying in Vancouver, and I'll see how it goes. Brian, I know you in HPQ, you were there. What else you did?
Yeah, I got in. Yeah, the other trade I did was JD. I was watching the Chinese stocks because there was some news about the JD CEO was stepping down, and the president was taking over as CEO, and I think it was sort of read as more Chinese, interference, I guess, regulators. So I think overall the Chinese stocks didn't take that very well. JD was looking particularly weak at the open, so that's where I just jumped in and shorted it at the open as it started to sell off going into the open, and traded that one twice. Yeah, got a nice short on that one. It came up to the VWAP a few times, rejected it. I took one of those rejections, shorted it again. So yeah, other than that, like I said, HPQ was a great trade today, and it's going to stay strong all day. It's my sense. It's going to be like Twitter. It's the same sort of news that came out with Twitter, with Elon Musk taking a position, and this, anything where Warren Buffett takes a big position obviously gets a lot of people's attention. So yeah. So overall, that was a pretty good day, and it's good to be back. 2 weeks away in Egypt, and so that was a good trip.
Yeah, excellent. Thank you. Yeah, HPQ is going to go toward the new high after the all-time high. And yeah, as I mentioned, a lot of money flowing after these big gurus taking a position. Like, perfect example was Twitter. After the news came in, for 2 days, the news came in. Let's go to the daily chart. So when the news came in, you popped up from 38 to 47, and then it went up all the way up to 54 next day. So there's a lot of money actually flowing in, and now it's pulling back, but for a couple of days, at least the next day, there might be a lot of money flowing in there, and people don't look for a really nice entry usually, because they're just going in there for next 5 to 10 years, and that's what happened exactly here. Perfect. And really nice day, guys. Remember mentorship session, guys, and mentorship session. John starts at 11, and then we have Thor and Ed in the afternoon, and looking forward to chats and the presentations next week. Brian, anything from you?
No, that's it. Good to be back. Awesome. And so we'll see everyone later.
See you soon. Bye.